Hello everyone, it's Clara. I'm back with another Christmas journal. This one was a collaboration with Dot's Inspirational Shop. I used her latest Christmas digital kit, and yeah, I hope you like it. I just made this cover from lace doilies, and this that I've also found in my stash, and some coffee dyed. This was a handkerchief that I coffee dyed and just put layers on the cover here, and it's got lace on the side as well, on the pages of the front, first and last pages of the signature. And there's some charms. It's got 5 signatures, 200 pages back to front, open spine again. And this is the back, and this is the side. And I kept it again very simple. I hope I'm in frame and all. Yes, I am. So let's open it. Oh, this is also coffee dyed fabric for the cover as well. And let's just open it. This is the first page here, nice and shiny. Playing with a lot of shiny things this Christmas. And this cute little girl here, and this lovely lace on the border here. And I also painted this just as a journaling card. It's on watercolor paper. I'm really into my painting now, so I did quite a few for this one. So I also have children's Christmas book pages in here as well. This is the digital kit, and the theme is pink. Very cute. There's all sorts of different paper. I have cardstock and coffee dyed paper, and yeah. And this, I also painted this large journaling card as well. And again, as I always say all the time, there's a lot of room here for the person who buys this for their creativity. And also it is, remember the page, it is, there's so much room for growth. So this can be a really personalized and made to be that person's journal as such. It's just some cardstock that was left over from another journal. And then this is a journaling card that I painted. I will have a video of how I did this. It's with paint and salt and gesso here for the sky, and I think it came out quite nice, I think. This is just a side tuck here. This is from the kit. If you like pink, then this might be your journal. And these are also from the ephemera kit. I like this. So we also have encyclopedia pages that mention Christmas stuff. Coffee dyed paper, so it's a little bit thicker than normal. And I did the 3 pamphlet stitch. For the smaller A5 size pamphlets, journals, I usually do the 3 pamphlet stitch, usually. But for the larger ones, A5, I always use 5 pamphlet stitch because it's so much longer. This lovely lace, and I made this from glass beads. This is also pretty. This is also lovely lace here. I got a new light, and as I mentioned last time, I don't know whether it's washing out what I'm doing here, if it's too bright or something, but hopefully not, because I think images render differently in other people's. Oops, suddenly got brighter for some reason. Amazing. I also made this card with watercolor and what is this? The metallic pen. There's a candy cane here. Journaling card. I don't know whether this really shows. It's a lovely metallic pink and silver. Mrs. Santa Claus. I hope these flip throughs also give you ideas and inspire you to make your own Christmas journals and stuff like that. There are so many YouTube videos of how people make these things, but I'm wondering I should just do some of my own as well and show you how I put together some of these journals. You might learn something different, maybe, because everyone takes inspiration and then they, make it their own. This is a tuck spot here, sometimes. Another glass charm. Some more from the kit. I also painted this one. I used a different, normally the trees that I've been drawing have been completely filled up, but this one I decided to do it this way. I don't know whether it looks better like this or the other way, or both look okay. Still a very, 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 very new to painting and watercolors and stuff like that. So the pieces that I think are good enough always end up in the journals these days. Wait a minute, something missing here. Yeah, I like this as well. Christmas tree with all the presents at the bottom. Now for this one, if you can see the metallic paint, I hope. Put that there. This is the back. And this is the last page that has this large journaling card. It's just a pocket. Okay. And that's it from me. Until the next time. Have a nice week.